What you up to, Frank?
We're gonna experiment.
Okay.
We're gonna see if we can mix up some hot lime mortar.
Hot lime mortar. Okay, so
3 parts of sand.
3 parts of sand. And that's a fine grained sand, correct? That's not like play sand or anything.
This is actually coarser than play sand. We read about this in a book and watched the video. So.
Yep.
What can go wrong?
What can go wrong? I'm telling you.
So, make a little spot here.
Kind of like when you're making bread and you put your eggs in the middle. Kind of like that.
Yeah, sort of like that, I guess.
Or like potatoes when you're putting your gravy in the middle.
Yeah, that's probably more like it. Get our calcium oxide
And
from Mississippi lime.
Yeah, so we have this cool looking
mortar hoe.
So, all right, so what is that?
Now
Flip the bag around. So
quicklime.
Quicklime.
Standard quicklime. It's high calcium oxide from Mississippi lime.
This stuff is really
They
cool.
set the standard of excellence.
Good to know. This stuff is really cool when it
I'm wearing gloves.
hits water. Okay.
It's
Alright.
danger. You can't breathe it, and you can't get it on you.
Okay.
But we'll be alright.
I'll be over here.
It doesn't explode.
I know it doesn't.
So we need 1 part of this.
Okay.
It's in 1/2-inch pebble form.
All right. All right.
I'll put that in here.
In the middle.
So we got 3 parts of quicklime, or 1 part of quicklime, 3 parts of sand, and this is 2 times the volume of the quicklime in water.
Okay.
So I'm gonna pour this on that, and then try to cover it up, and it should boil the water, and then we'll mix up some hot lime mortar.
Okay.
Hot mixed lime mortar, just like the book says.
Okay. Oh. This is why I'm way back here.
That's steam.
How long do you let it sit?
Just keep it hot.
You all get to see us try this for the very first time.
I'm sure maybe practice will make perfect. And this is just a tiny little batch just to
Yeah. Prove a concept.
see if we know what we're doing.
All right, now that's not popping anymore. You can see the steam just coming off of that. That's not dust, that's actual steam. And that water disintegrates the lime.
So all that gravel turns into powder. And this supposedly incorporates it more. Nigel Copsey would be proud of us just doing it this way.
This is how old of a recipe for actual mortar? Hundreds of years old?
Oh, 1700s, I think.
Yeah. And what makes this mortar so special is it allows, it gets,
Transport water.
yeah, it allows the water to escape from the rock and the brick, it doesn't have cement in it, is what I'm saying.
That's correct.
I mean, it does its job, and it's strong. It's still steaming.
Put your hand on it. It's more.
It's very warm.
Alright, now let's mix it up to the consistency of some mortar.
Now, why are you slapping it down like that?
Oh, the old timers would beat it.
It also helps break down those last little...
Yeah. Pay attention, this is what you're going to be doing every time. But this is the stuff they used back in
Back in the day.
1890 when they built this house.
Yeah.
Pretty sticky.
That's how you know when it's
See
done.
it steaming?
Uh-huh. Okay, before we can put the new mortar in and the bricks back in, we have to prep is the key. So we're trying to clean up the bricks from without knocking any more loose and breaking out some of the mortar that's already there so that the new stuff has something to cling to. Okay, Frank is taking a brush and water and just moistening the bricks so that the mortar will stick to it.
And cleaning them.
Yeah, cleaning them. They were kind of dirty, so. Well, this is exciting, Frank. We actually get to make a permanent fix.
Yeah.
First one of the season, mind you. You know, I may not know very much about this right now, but by the time we're finished, I'm going to be an expert. Because this house has a lot of brick.
Moisten it so it doesn't pull all the water out of it.
Here's a different view of the new bricks. Some of the new bricks put in.
All right, Carrie's gonna try her first time at mixing hot lime mortar.
All right, here we go.
You look steamy, baby.
Yeah, here it is.
We're just doing small batches just because we don't want to. We just got a little small area we're working with.
I'm baking it.
Look at the cracks forming just like it's supposed to, baby.
Yeah.
It's steaming. Must be warm.
Yeah. I watched videos and this is what I saw them do. So, but you can see what is coming out is
It's expanding.
yeah. I heard them say on the videos you don't let the spirit out, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. tell me when I don't know how long to do this for.
Yeah, it's close enough.
All right.
Just start mixing it all up.
I'm doing. Kind of chopping it up.
For what?
I can't see anything.
It's because your glasses are fogged up. You're not in a race. It's just.
I can't see it.
Pretty soon we'll be mixing batches big enough that she can use this. But right now this is kind of a waste. Know what I mean?
Yep.
What do you think, Carrie Lunar?
I think it is what it is. It's not so bad. I was cold before I started. Okay, got my hot lime mortar ready to go. And while I was doing that, Frank jacked up that valley rafter that we put in, and we're cleaning up this area. And we're gonna put in the new brick. We're gonna get these new bricks in, and there's a different view of the ones that he just did. Mm-hmm. You need a half brick?
This is exactly what I need.
Why do you tap it? Just to make sure it's set?
Yeah.
Oops. We went and got the little yellow level.
Can't really do much more until we figure out what to do with that.
Yeah. It looks good though. So once that dries, that'll be great. So as you can see, this is the bottom of that valley rafter. And we're gonna get that all taken care of in there. It's all resting like it's supposed to. Alrighty then. It's looking good. Okay. We have the valley rafter supported and jacked up a little bit. It's now pretty much in the position that it's going to be. Of course, we'll put a different piece of wood there, but it's still drying, but It looks really good. We're not quite done, but not bad for our first try. Not bad at all. Mia? What? What is it? Oh, sweet girl. What is it? What are you doing,